64 grams of protein in 1 bowl of cereal. There's only one adjustment you need to make. You have your milk, very light protein, 13 grams of protein per 1 cup serving. And then we have Magic Spoon cereal, 13 grams of protein per 1 cup serving. And then in addition is going to be unflavored whey protein that will be added to the milk, then added to the bowl, and then cereal added on top. Alright, so what I have here is a tumbler, run-of-the-mill tumbler. Oh! Put it right to the bowl. Let's try that again. I have a run-of-the-mill tumbler. Put this in there to make everything nice and smooth. So we're going to put a cup of milk. Now if you're tracking calories, you definitely need a measuring cup. You always need to measure. There we go. So the reason why I'm using unflavored whey protein is so that I can keep the flavor of the milk. Why this must be so hard? Come on! Yeah. Alright, time to use brute strength. Alright, once you put this, it's 25 grams of protein. I'm gonna drop that in here. So tough. Not finished being, it's not done being shaken until you start breaking the sweat. Alright, so now I'm gonna add this in. So it's like thicker milk. Now there's multiple cereal brands that have protein in them. Magic Spoon is my favorite. So I'm gonna do 2 servings. 1. Cereal with the ladle, as you can see here. It's all added. It's all good. Come and see how this looks.
Not a ladle, it's a ramen spoon.
Now let's see how it tastes. It's good. Yeah. Start your day off with 64 grams of protein. Protein is important. And start your day off with 64 grams of protein, or ending your day with 64 grams of protein. It's a good idea with this combination. For more tips and ideas on how to live a healthy lifestyle, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you later. Oh.